CPA, financial planner, content creator, syempre, jowa, anak, at lahat-lahat na. Parang kailangan ko ng clone para matapos lahat. Pero wag kang mag-alala dahil andito na si Beroka Girl. Aminin mo, minsan kahit gusto mong maging productive, wala ka ng energy. Sabay mental fog, wala ka ng focus. Pero bilang isang Beroka Girl, bawal ang lobat. Kaya ito ang secret ko, Beroka Performance. B vitamins for energy, vitamin C and zinc for immunity, calcium and magnesium to beat stress and fatigue. See the difference? Mas ganado, mas alert, mas unstoppable. Kaya kung gusto mo din maging productive at full of energy, maging Beroka baby ka rin. Click the link and try Beroka today. Yun lamang and thank you for watching.